Okay, so forgive my appearance and anything else I do in this video. This is my very first hammered unboxing. I just got off the double field. I've been there since 6 a.m. It's now close to 8 p.m. This bad boy, or there's two packages in here, but the one I want to talk about was delivered at 5:08 today. It is and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, Mirka sander. And this is some bullshit skull for Halloween resin shit. But anyhow, I digress. All right, so cool sustainer case. I'll take it. So what I'm hoping to find in here is the right sander. I was at my I was at my wood supplier's place the other day, and he had one of these. And I've been struggling between Festool and Mirka. I didn't know what I wanted to get. He was leveling that slab, which is going out of my bar. Anyhow, this is it. It's got its own sustainer. And what I'm hoping to find in here is the right sander, number one. And number two, if I got the right sander, maybe, I'm not sure, but maybe there'll be a 6-inch sanding disc and a 5-inch sanding disc. We'll find out. Let's check it out together. And yes, I'm hammered and cheers. Um, been drinking since, I don't know, maybe 8, 9 o'clock. Still tastes good. All right, we have a cord. We've got the 6-inch sander. We have some sanding discs, manuals, a wrench. Oh shit, I don't see a 5-inch sanding thing. I probably have to buy that separate. But either way, kind of a letdown. Not quite as big of a letdown as it was thinking I won the big lottery and finding out I won $4. But this is going to be a valued addition to the shop here. As you can see, got a lot of shit going on in here. My cord is messing up, but anyhow, stay tuned. I guess I gotta buy the 5-inch disc. Either way, this was expensive as shit though. For 685, I would think since they mentioned it, you would get it. Just buyer beware, I guess.